Sometimes you might need to copy text from an image or a screenshot without retyping it manually. Luckily, there are simple tools that make it easy to extract text from images quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll show you 3 easy methods to do just that, using free tools that anyone can access. Tool number 1. Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is a built-in app in Windows used for capturing screenshots. In Windows 11, a new feature was added to the Snipping Tool. It lets the tool recognize and extract text directly from an image. To start using it, there are 2 ways. You can either type its name in the search bar and click on Open, then click on New, or press the shortcut Windows Shift-S to open the capture tool directly. Your screen will dim, and you can click and drag to select the area that contains the text. Once you release the mouse button, the screenshot is taken and opens in the Snipping Tool window. After that, click on Text Actions button, and wait a few seconds while Windows analyzes the image and recognizes the text. Then, click Copy All Text to copy everything, or highlight a specific part, right-click, and choose Copy Text. Finally, open Microsoft Word, or any text editor, and paste the text. Just like that, you've successfully extracted text from an image. Tool number 2. PowerToys. Microsoft PowerToys is a free utility package for Windows 10 and 11 that includes many useful tools, including the Text Extractor tool. This tool allows you to copy any text displayed on your screen, whether it's from an image, video, or even a PDF file. First, download PowerToys from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, open the application and make sure the Text Extractor tool is enabled. Now, open the image or file that contains the text you want to extract, and press the shortcut Windows Shift-T. This will dim the screen. Then, use your mouse to draw a box around the text. As soon as you finish, the text will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Then, open Microsoft Word or any text editor, and simply paste the text. After that, do a quick review to make sure the text was copied correctly. Tool number 3. Google Lens. Google Lens is a tool built into the Google Chrome browser. Google Lens is primarily used for searching with images, but it can also be used to extract text from them. To use it, right-click anywhere inside the page, then select Search Image with Google Lens. Use your mouse to highlight the section containing the text, and click Select Text. Then choose Copy. Or, you can drag and drop an image from your computer into the browser. Then, right-click on it, select Search Image with Google Lens. Use your mouse to highlight the section containing the text, and click Select Text, then choose Copy. Then, open Microsoft Word or any text editor, and simply paste the text. Finally, review it to make sure everything was copied correctly. Thank you for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips.